You learn something every day if you pay attention. Be nice to yourself today. You deserve your love. It's okay to be sad after making the right decisions. Call me crazy, but I love to see people happy and succeeding. Life is a journey, not a competition. I am learning to love myself, and it's the hardest thing I have ever done. Life doesn't require that we be the best, only that we try our best. Your body hears everything your mind says. Stay positive. Life doesn't require that we be the best, only that we try our best. The most important thing to develop if you want to really live an awesome life is your mindset. If you get that gut feeling that something is not right about a person or situation, trust it. Don't allow someone to treat you poor just because you love them. There is nothing in the world that can trouble you as much as your own thoughts. Sometimes you have to accept that people's part in your story is ours. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept the apology you never got.